Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make iced matcha latte, a delicious and refreshing matcha beverage. You will need 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, a half tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of hot water, 150 ml of milk of choice, dairy or plant-based, some ice cubes. Step 1. Add the matcha powder, sugar to a small bottle and carefully pour in the hot water. Step 2. Close the bottle firmly. Wrap the bottle with a cloth as it's really hot and shake the bottle until combined and a frothy layer forms on top. Step 3. Prepare a serving glass and put in some ice cubes. Step 4. Slowly pour milk into the glass. Step 5. Pour the prepared matcha mixture into the glass. I hope you will enjoy this easy iced matcha latte. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.